the way to fix it is people who have had a pretty good income throughout their lives will still get Social Security, but they won't get as much. They just will not get what they expected they were going to get, although they'll get some. But those who completely depend on Social Security will get what they need. Now, here we'll get what they're entitled to. And the fact is that it's an arithmetic issue. Some people believe that the government raided the Social Security Trust Fund and that they hadn't done that, everything would be great. Let me explain that to you. And I don't want to get too complicated here, but basically, when the Social Security tax money came in, they didn't pay out as much as came in. And the government borrowed the excess and put IOUs on the books. We're now reclaiming the IOUs. We're now paying off the IOUs. The problem is it's a demographic issue. For the young people that are here, there aren't a lot of them. And there's a ton of us, the baby boomers and folks who are older. So the arithmetic doesn't work anymore. You've got a heck of a lot of people getting and very few people giving. So you got to change the numbers around. And there are some people that say we don't have to touch it, we don't have to fix it. If we cut foreign aid, that's all bunk. It's all baloney. It's more of this false promise nonsense that we hear in life. I'm giving it to you straight. And the answer is that we're going to have to means test that program. The reason why I don't want to take the wealthiest people's money away is I don't want to turn Social Security into a welfare program. But they will not get what they thought they were going to get, and most people don't know what they're going to get anyway. You know what you're supposed to get? You have no clue. So if I give you less, you don't, I mean, what is it? What, are they paying you a couple million here a year? I'm just kidding. I know, look, and this place is great. I'm telling you, sometimes I tease and see these people back here with cameras and with pens. They don't tease real well. So anyway, that's what we're going to do. But you're not going to get that done with just Republicans. You're going to have to get Republicans and Democrats to fix it, just like it was fixed with Ronald Reagan and Tip O'Neill. There's no two ways about it, because if you don't do it that way, you will be demagogued and all the politicians will run for the hills. Yes, sir, back here.